Welcome to English Learn with Zohan. Total question 15. Time 5 seconds each questions. Good luck. Subscribe now and never stop learning. Learn smart. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Question 1. Stay here. I come back. Option C is the correct answer. Question 2. He is tall. He cannot play basketball well. Option B is the correct answer. Question 3. I was tired. I went to bed early. Option A is the correct answer. Question 4. We can go hiking, swimming. Option C is the correct answer. Question 5. I will finish the work. I can. Option C is the correct answer. Question 6. They were late. The bus broke down. Option B is the correct answer. Question 7. She did not like the movie. She watched it till the end. Option B is the correct answer. Question 8. You should study hard. You will fail. Option D is the correct answer. Question 9. He works hard. He can succeed. Option A is the correct answer. Question 10. She is not only smart, also very kind. Option A is the correct answer. Question 11. We will stay here. It stops raining. Option C is the correct answer. Question 12. The car is old. It runs well. Option B is the correct answer. Question 13. He left early. He was feeling sick. Option B is the correct answer. Question 14. You can have tea, coffee. Option C is the correct answer. Question 15. He worked hard. He did not succeed. Option B is the correct answer.